Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for delaying the next topic on the Java tutorial. So, as per the continuation, today's topic is abstraction in Java. And about interfaces also we are gonna discuss, which is a part of abstraction. Let's get on to the video now. Abstraction. It is an object-oriented feature which will allow us to hide the complex implementation details. For example, let's take the car. We will start the car and drive it, but we don't know how it will start, how the engine starts in a car. This is the general example for the abstraction. In Java, abstraction can be achieved using abstract classes and interfaces. And also, the abstraction help developers to focus on essential features while ignoring underlying complexity. That means, as the abstraction hides the implementation details, so the developers can only focus on features of the system but not the implementation of the system. So it will be easier and helpful for the developers. Now let's know one of the way to achieve the abstraction, that is abstract class. The class which is defined using the abstract keyword is known as abstract class. An abstract class can have both abstract methods and non-abstract methods. That means it can have methods with method declaration itself, or it can have methods with method initialization. One more thing about abstract class is abstract class cannot be instantiated directly. That means it should be inherited by some other class to instantiate the abstract methods. Now let's see an example for the abstract class. By the way, I haven't mentioned a small point here. By the abstract classes, we cannot achieve the full abstraction or 100% abstraction. This is the drawback of the abstract classes. And why it is means the abstract class can contain both abstract and non-abstract methods. So this is the reason why abstract classes cannot be used for achieving the full abstraction. Now let's get back to the example of abstract class. In this example, I have written an abstract class and a method with abstract keyword, that is interest. As I said, it cannot be instantiated directly. I am extending the abstract class bank with two classes, and in there I am implementing the method in each class. Then in the main class, I have created the objects for two classes, that is SBI and HDFC, then calling the method interest from both objects. Now we will get the output as 1.5 and 2.5. As I said, here in the abstract class, I am hiding the implementation details, but I am implementing it in the another class. Now let's discuss the another way to achieve the abstraction, that is interface, by which we can achieve 100% abstraction. An interface is an reference that contains only constants, abstract methods. That means it can only contain the final variables and abstract methods. Then classes that implement an interface must provide implementation for all its abstract methods. That means at the right side, just take a look at it. Interface, in that a method signature, then the class is implementing the above interface. In that I am writing the code. Interface is declared by using the interface keyword, and the implements keyword is used to implement the or inherit the interface. So as I said in the previous video, interfaces enable the multiple inheritance. That means we can implement or inherit the multiple interfaces by a class. Now let's see an example for the interface. As the previous example for the abstract class, I am using the same example here, but I am changing the abstract class into the interface. Then I am inheriting the interface into the two classes, that is SBI and HDFC. Then I am checking the output of the program, but I will get an error for this, that is the methods are not declared as public. in the classes. So we should mention the methods as public in the implemented classes. That means in the SBI and HDFC bank class, we should mention the method as public. Then only the program will execute. And that's gonna be the end of the video. So let's meet on the next video. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. If any doubts, please comment it.